Hello class, in this lesson you are learning how to separate texture from color, frequency separation. So far we learned how to work with a spot healing brush or the other to remove blemishes, but yes, you remove, but as you can see, you lose the texture, you lose the pores, see? You lose the pores here, and you don't want this happen because it ended up that your picture not looking that natural. So let me control Z. uh, First thing, you open your image. Just in case, I'm always control J to duplicate that, and then click on create new layer 2 times, and then you want to create merge visible or create a layer from your visible. So this is, you need to press shift control alt and E. Okay, shift control alt E, and you create a layer from your visible. Now rename this, double click on the text on thumbnail and rename it low low frequency color and tone. Color tone. Low frequency color and tone. And then duplicate this layer. You can press Ctrl J, or you can drag it down here, the place that you create new layer, and duplicate the layer. And then rename the second one high frequency the texture. Because you want to separate texture, which is pores like here, from the color and tone. And invisible the top layer, which is high frequency, and activate low frequency. Go to that layer and then go to filter and go to noise and median. So start from number 1, radius number 1, and you ask yourself, do I see the pores, like pores here or freckles here? Because you want to keep them. If you see incrementally increase this number. Number 2, still I can see. Then number 3, I can see it still a little less, but probably I tried. So number 7 or 8, it's good. Now I see colors, but I don't see pores anymore. The reason that I do this because I want to preserve this in separate layer. I want to preserve pores in separate layer. Okay, and now again repeat exactly same filter one more time. You go to filter, and because we already used that, this is on top here, median. Repeat this one more time. Perfect. And now activate your high frequency texture layer and go to that layer, and then go to image and apply image. Here you want to subtract, this one is subtract. You want to subtract low frequency from high frequency, which is the layer that you selected now. And channel should be RGB, embed is not checked, and scale is 2, and offset is 128. See, now it's like a statue. You have or 3D printer print. You have the texture, but almost you don't have the color. Let me see. So this is the way that you separate these two layers. On this layer you have texture, on this layer you have color. Okay. Now if you change blend mode from normal to linear light, you see there's no difference, like you didn't, it means that it looks like the same, and this is exactly the correct thing that you see. And then create a new layer, or first duplicate this high frequency texture layer. You can drag it down or right click and duplicate. And now change blend mode to normal again. And then clip these two high frequency texture layers together, right click, create clipping mask. Okay. Now you need to create a layer between your high frequency and low frequency. And drag it down between high and low. Rename it fixed color here. Okay, you have a fixed color here. Make your high frequency texture layer invisible, and you are active on fixed color here, and then go to mixer brush tool. Select mixer brush tool and make sure this option is clean brush. The other one is here. This one is unchecked, and width should be about 15%. Don't worry about load. Mix should be 15%, and make sure sample all layer is checked. Now smush the like colors, same colors, like together. Like here, I can zoom in, smush this like colors together. And this is what you did so far. If I make it, you see, you keep doing this. See, I need to zoom out, you see better. Okay, this is the lesson today, and go practice with that. At the end, you can go to file. See, I just work on the right hand, left side of the face. So if you want to see better, you can go and work on, look, I'm going to just work on forehead. See, just to focus, I just work on forehead so you can see better. It is coming from your experience. So this is before and after. And make sure don't smush the colors that have contrast. So for example, this is light, this is dark, and if I smush it like this, see what will happen. So this is before, see, I ruined part of the nose. It's not nice. You need just to smush, blend the same colors together. When you finish, you can go to File and Save or Save As. And if you want to send, like if you want to continue working, you need to save as PSD. But if you finish and you want to submit your work, you need to post it as JPEG. Okay, and save it and send it to class. Work on 3 different pictures. This is the original one. And use frequency separation to preserve texture while you are working. Thank you. Enjoy learning. Bye bye. See you on Monday.